Okay, here's the little heater. Got a regular bread pan. Got 4 long burn tea lights. They last for about 3.5 hours each. This is a copy of a YouTube video I saw, so I'm just sharing it because it works so good. Now you got 2 pots, 2 clay pots. One, the inside one has a hole, so I've got a piece of tile that I cover the hole with, or a stone or anything you want. So now you put that one over the top of there. Now you take the bigger outer pot. Now this inner pot gets very warm. And this one's been burning for a little while. Now you'll see there it's up to 103 degrees, 99, so it's very warm using little candles as the main fuel. Then you put the bigger one on top. The air flows up past the smaller one, inside the bigger one. Even the outside bigger one gets warm as well, just with the heat penetrating out. That's nice, 50 degrees. Be nice if you get your whole room up to that. It'll be severely warm, but there now you see the heat coming through the little hole, which is like a convector, and you're getting 92, 93. So you're getting a convector heater running there at about 90, say 90 to 95 degrees, which is a nice temperature. I have it in front of the stove here that I don't need to light, but works beautifully. The candles burn for 3.5 hours, so you get 3.5 hours of convected heat. And in a small size room that would change a lot of air. But it's very handy, easy to make, no tools or nothing. Go in the home base, get the tea lights, the flower pots, bread pan, whatever you need. Probably have most of them, and then you're set to go for a nice heater.